Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at DJI's new drone, which is the DJI Neo. And this thing is really small. Here's my hand in comparison. I wear small to medium sized gloves and it's about the size of my hand. So it could definitely fit in a larger pocket, but really excited to fly this thing because this is meant for people that don't care for using a remote control to fly it. It could record a lot of different types of shots with just the drone itself. So we're gonna give it a try. So this is a shot of the drone in the hand. And what I've done here is the DJI Neo has the ability to use a DJI Mic 2. So what you do is you connect it to your smartphone and it'll actually record audio from your DJI Mic 2. And then later on when you transfer the footage from the drone to your smartphone, it's going to merge the audio that is recording from the DJI Mic 2 and remove the sound of the propellers. So I'm interested in seeing how that's going to turn out. Now you can see that there's actually a couple different modes for recording. So I'll cycle through some of them just so that you guys can hear what each one is.
Follow, droney, circle, rocket, spotlight, direction track.
Now I'll try to put a diagram on the screen to show what each of those types of shots really mean. Some of them are pretty straightforward, but I'll put a diagram to show you guys what each one of those mean. Now because I'm filming indoors right now, I'm going to do a very simple shot where the drone's just going to follow me around.
Follow.
So it's follow mode. So let me see if I can record this while launching the drone. So I actually had to set the camera down to try to launch the drone, but supposedly I just hit this button right here and then it should be able to launch. You want to point the camera to your face and then it's going to launch up.
Follow. 3, 2, 1.
All right, hopefully you guys can see it in front of me. The propellers are actually pretty noisy. But you can see as I move around the drone, it's actually following my movement. So I'm just gonna walk around our ADU right here and let's see it follow us. So you can see that this is actually a really tight corridor and it's able to come through here. So in order to land it, what you do is you just stick your hand out and it'll come down.